A easy, delicious jerk, veggie mince, yes, meatless guys, yes. This is perfect for a quick lunch or a light dinner idea. So if you want to see how I make this one, guys, continue watching. Happy Vlogmas Day 8. Yes, guys, we're getting there. Thanks for all the support. I appreciate you guys a lot. And here is my veggie mince. I already hydrated with hot water. That's the brand I'm using. Yes. So we're just going to season this with our jerk marinade and our jerk season, some complete season, some black pepper, salt, and we're just going to put that aside for a bit, allow it to marinate. Yes, we have to marinate everything. And then we're going to prep some other things. So continue watching, guys. Please watch the video to the end. Like the video and drop me a comment, okay? Continue watching. I'll come back in a bit. As you see, I had a bit of soya sauce just to give me a bit more color. And we're just going to allow that to saute for a couple more minutes. And here's the extra filling for our wraps. We have some lettuce. We're using some plum tomato. We're using purple onion, some shredded carrots, and bell pepper if available. And that's all we're using for our filling along with the jerk veggie mince, okay? So continue watching, guys, and I'll catch you at the end of the video.
I
is my easy jerk veggie mince wraps. As you see, very easy to make and the end result is very delicious. So this is vlogmas day 8. Hope you guys enjoying vlogmas so far. So please watch the end, guys. Like the video, share, drop me a comment below and do subscribe for more. So until next time, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.